The law gives employers 10 reasons to terminate any of their employees with automatic effect and without any notice. Under the new labor law, which is the only law that's applicable right now in the whole of this country, these reasons are found under Article 44. I'm going to read to you all the 10 reasons why your employer can dismiss you with immediate effect and without any notice. Let's go. 44. Dismissal of worker without prior notice. An employer may dismiss the worker without prior notice after a written investigation with him, and dismissal decision shall be in writing and reasoned and given by the employer or his representative to the worker in any of the following events. 1. If the worker assume false identity or submit false certificate or document. 2. If the worker commits an error resulting in gross material losses to the employer or deliberately cause harm to the property of the employer and admit the same, provided that the employer notifies the ministry of the incident within 7 working days of being aware of the occurrence thereof. 3. If the worker violates the bylaws of the establishment in relation to work and workers' safety or the workplace, provided that such instructions are in writing and posted in a visible place and the worker has been advised thereof. 4. If the worker fails to perform his duties in accordance with the employment contract and fails to remedy such failures despite a written investigation with him on the matter and 2 warnings that he will be dismissed in case of recidivism. 5. If the worker divulges the business secret in relation to industrial or intellectual property, which results in losses to the employer or losses of opportunity or a personal benefit for the worker. 6. If the worker is found during the working hours in a state of drunkenness or under the influence of a narcotic or psychotic substance or commits any act against morals at the workplace. 7. If the worker commits a verbal, physical or other form of assault punishable by legislation in force in the UAE against the employer, the responsible manager, his supervisor or co-worker. 8. If the worker absents from work without legal cause or justification acceptable to the employer for more than 20 interrupted days in a year or more than 7 days consecutively. 9. If the worker abuses his position with the aim to obtain personal gains and profit. 10. If the worker joins another establishment without complying with the controls and procedures prescribed in this regard. That is it. So go to Article 44 and read this. If you don't have a copy, a soft copy of the labor law, leave a comment on this video with your email address. I'll forward you a soft copy. Try to read it. Try to read it. It is important that you understand not just your rights, but your obligations under the labor law. Please read it. Understand it, know it. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. I'm here, I'm available to answer any question. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to share. Let's create awareness. Let's help people to understand their rights and their obligations. And don't forget your email. I need your comment with your email address if you're interested in having a soft copy of this labor law. It's very important for you. Thank you and stay safe. I love you all.